Okay, children, good afternoon to you. So, we are at assessment basis. We completed up to lecture number 27. Lecture number 27. That is what in last class we completed what preparation of bleaching powder and uses. Now, let me concentrate on lecture number 28. That is related to about the preparation of washing soda and uses of washing soda. These what uses are very important towards the examination. So that many times what asked in the annual examinations. So that's why you what concentrate on uses of what chemicals what we are going to discuss. Okay, right. Washing soda. Washing soda. Washing soda. What is the formula of washing soda? Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate 10 moles of H2O. Na2CO3 10 H2O. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. This Na2CO3 is what? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate is called as what? Washing soda. Washing soda. It is prepared. Where we are prepared? In ammonia soda solve process. Ammonia, which method? Ammonia soda solve process. So ammonia soda solve process, we prepare what? This sodium carbonate decahydrate, nothing but what? Washing soda. Washing soda. In this what? Ammonia soda solve process, so we are used as raw materials as what? Ammonia, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide. To get carbon dioxide we use what? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. So by using those what materials we prepare what? First sodium bicarbonate we prepare. Sodium bicarbonate. This sodium bicarbonate is what? Treated. When it is subjected to what? Heating process, thermal what? Heating. What will happen, sir? We will get as what? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate plus CO2 plus what? H2O is H2O vapor is what? Released. So this in this way we prepare what? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. I am just concentrating to prepare what about the sodium carbonate 10 in 10th standard only. So in intermediate standard we have what? Preparation of this sodium carbonate but ammonia soda solve process by using of what? Ammonia tower, carbonation tower and reaction with sodium chloride. Different method is there. So but I don't want to discuss about that method because it is not important towards our examinations. So now let me concentrate on uses. So this sodium carbonate is used. Where we are used? It is used under the name of what? Washing soda. Under the name of what? Washing soda. It is also called as what? Washing soda in a glass, paper and as well as what? Soap industries. Soap water industry. It is used. Where we are used? It is washing soda is used in glass industry, paper industry and what? Soap industry. Soap industry. It is used to manufacture of what? Sodium compound such as what? Borax. Sodium compound borax. What is the formula of borax? Na3B4O7. Borax. This is called as what? Borax and as well as what? It is called as what? Tinkal also. So this one borax is what? Prepared by using of this washing soda only. And this in domestic purpose. In domestic purpose we are used this one as what? Cleaning agent. We are used as what? Cleaning agent. Cleaning agent. And the very most important use of this sodium carbonate, that is what washing soda is. It is used to remove. It is used to remove permanent hardness. It is used to remove permanent hardness. Permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of what? Water. It is used to what? Remove the permanent hardness of water. We have what? Water is what? Two types of water we have. One is what? Soft water. Another one is what? Hard water. This in this hard water. So hard water, why hardness is caused to the water? Due to the presence of what? Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2. Calcium and magnesium chlorides, sulfates and what? Bicarbonates. Due to the presence of what? These ions, water will get hardness. Water will get hardness. This hardness is what? Further divided into two types. That is what? Temporary hardness and another one is what? Permanent hardness. So temporary hardness is caused due to what? Calcium, magnesium, bicarbonates. This is what? Removed by just heating process. Just if we heat, what will happen? This temporary hardness is removed. Permanent hardness is what caused due to what calcium, magnesium, sulfates and chlorides. This is not what removed by just heating process. They have what different processes in order to remove this one. Ion exchange method we have, Kalgan method we have, addition of alums methods we have. So that's why this is the what somewhat critical method in order to remove. So we are used what to remove the permanent hardness of water. This what sodium carbonate is used. Okay children, this is the what about the lecture number 28 concept related to washing soda, preparation and uses. Just I taught what towards the what 10th examination only.